Melisa's bathroom routine. In this video, Melisa shows her everyday morning bathroom routine. And something funny happens along the way. Let's start. Every morning, Melisa goes to the bathroom. She wants to start her day feeling fresh and clean. The bathroom is small but comfortable. There is a sink, a mirror, and a shower. First, Melisa turns on the tap. She washes her hands with soap. The soap smells nice and clean. Then she washes her face with water. She looks at herself in the mirror. After that, she takes her toothbrush. She puts toothpaste on the toothbrush. The toothpaste is minty and fresh. She brushes her teeth slowly. She brushes for 2 minutes. Then she washes her mouth with water. Next, Melisa takes a shower. She likes warm water. She uses a sponge to wash her body. She uses shampoo for her hair. Then she uses conditioner. Sometimes she uses a hair mask cream. After the shower, she turns off the water. She feels clean and happy. Then she looks around. Her towel is not there. She forgot it in her room. Oh no, she says quietly. She opens the bathroom door a little. She runs quickly to her room. She comes back very fast. She laughs at herself. Next time I will remember, she says. Then she dries her body with the towel. She wraps the towel around her wet hair. After that, she uses a hairdryer. The hairdryer is a little loud. Her hair flies everywhere. She laughs when she sees her reflection. She looks funny. Then she uses a hairbrush. She brushes her hair slowly. Her hair looks soft and nice. Sometimes Melisa puts a face mask on her face. Today, she chooses a green face mask. She spreads it carefully. Then she looks in the mirror. She looks scary. Her face is green and shiny. For 1 second, she feels surprised. "Who is that?" she says. Then she understands it is just her. She laughs loudly. She waits for 10 minutes. Then she washes the face mask off at the sink. Melisa puts cream on her face. She puts lotion on her hands. Finally, she smiles at herself in the mirror. She feels clean, fresh, and ready for the day. Even with small, funny moments, she likes her bathroom routine very much. Useful vocabulary: bathroom, sink, mirror, shower, tap, soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, sponge, hair mask, towel, hairdryer, scary, to choose, to be surprised, to laugh, to turn on, to brush hair. Did you like this story? Tell me in the comments. What should happen to Melisa next?